Right, bit of fun here, guys. DRCLRA from Monster High. Obviously that's not DRCLRA in there, that's Kenny, as I call him. A Poundland solar rocker. Just sitting in there to give us something. This one's still got hard plastic tyres on it, so grip will be a problem, and we're going to give it a run here, Keynsham Station car park. So that's the plan. I'll put the hat camera on, which is what I'm talking to at the moment, and we'll give it a run. Right, it's got no ground clearance, so the little bits of gravel here will be a problem. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get very far here. It's much too rough for it. Yeah, I don't think we're doing it any favours here. Trying to find a clear bit of tarmac to give it a chance to get moving. Nah, the wheels are just spinning. So that'll do for that one. It did get up to 6 miles an hour, but yeah, there's a complete lack of ground clearance there, and they're hard, rock hard plastic tyres. I am in the process of redoing this one. I'm going to put proper wheels on it, proper tyres. So this one will live again some other time. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.